Hi everyone, I'm Afsane. Welcome back to part 7 of our Django beginner series. In the previous parts, we built our contact model, created a form, validated inputs, styled everything with Bootstrap, and even added success messages. Today, we're going to take everything to the next level by making a professional Django admin panel for managing the messages users send through our contact form. We're not rewriting the model, we already did that, but I'll quickly recap the structure so you're not lost, and then we'll make the admin interface look clean, searchable, filterable, organized, and much easier to use. Part 1. Quick recap of the model. So here's the contact model we created earlier. We already connected these to our form and users can submit messages successfully. Now it's time to manage these submissions professionally inside the Django admin. Part 2. Registering the model in admin.py. Let's open contact admin.py. First, we import the model and register it. Part 3. Create admin user. Before logging into the Django admin panel, if you don't have an admin account yet, you need to create one. Open your terminal and run python manage.py create superuser. Now, Django will ask you to enter username, email, password. After entering the required values, your superuser account will be successfully created. Now you can run your server python manage.py run server. Login using the credentials you just created. You'll see contact appears, but it looks very basic. So let's improve it and turn it into a fully functional admin dashboard. Part 4. Customizing list display. We want the admin list page to show useful columns. So let's create a custom admin class. Refresh the admin panel. Now you see all columns neatly displayed. Part 5. Adding search and filters. Now let's add search, filters, ordering. Now the admin feels much more professional. You can search by name and email and filter by date. Part 6. Improving readability and UI. We can also make created ad read-only, show more items per page, add a date hierarchy at the top. This makes browsing messages much easier, especially when you have lots of submissions. Part 7. Testing everything. Now let's test our improvements. Go to the contact form, submit a new message, open the Django admin panel, check the contact list. Test, search, filters, ordering, detail page, read-only field. Everything should look clean, organized, and easy to navigate. And that's it for part 7. Now we have a beautiful, advanced Django admin panel for managing our contact messages. In the next video, we're going to move into user authentication, login, logout, and sign up pages with clean Bootstrap styling. You can find all the code for this part in the GitHub link in the video description. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment if you found this helpful. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.